Remember, this is phase 3. Remember, no breaks. Let's keep going. We're going to start off with cross-body squats. I got my weight here, 20 pounds. You grab what you can, feel capable with. Come inside, straight up. And we go to the left to right side first. You're gonna squat down when you do it. Turn your body. Do a little core and squat. Full length here once. Next up, grab some dumbbells. You don't have to use them. You're just new at this. Do regular squats. Straight down. Now say how many you want to do. Go for it. You can keep your back straight. Play it from the side. Come on, come down. And see the position. No breaks. Next up, we're going to do bicep curls and shoulder press. Kind of mind 2 things we did earlier. So, curl up, straight up. Tail wide base, straight up. Curl. Total body. We'll get whole body up. Next up. Curl. Straight up. We'll repeat that circuit. Again, cross body squats. This time, we'll start with the left side. Left to right. Make sure you hold the weight strong. Turn your body. Do it. Squeeze your abs. So you really feel it. Next up, back into our squats. Grab my weight. Right back there. Don't forget to breathe. Breathe on the way up. Inhale down, exhale up. The curls and shoulder press one more time. Again. Curl up, straight up. So full body, quick workout, mini workout. Our legs, upper body, chest, back, shoulders, everything. We gotta start getting one last time. So I'm gonna grab the bands. Show how you do it with these. Cross body squats. Kind of same thing. Get low, straight up. Keep the left and right side. Make sure you squat down and back up. Do that. Next time, just switch towards the next side. The last one with some squats, some weights. You guys don't have to use weights. Do what you feel comfortable with, but work hard. Don't cheat yourself. bicep curls and shoulders again. Doing bam, start with 1 foot, so I can just see how it is. I'm gonna go straight up. Curl up, straight up. And you see my 2 feet. Curl up, straight up. Curl up, straight up. Curl up, straight up. Curl up. Go for 2 more. And that's it. It's a quick mini workout. Hope you guys got a little sweat. That's first the mini. Hope we see you next time. Let's go.